Hi friends. Before starting digitization in QGIS, uh, we need to install. We need to follow these contents actually. First, we need to install QGIS software, and then we need to know components of QGIS, components of QGIS, and how to create project file and how to create save file and we need to install few plugins and we need to on snapping tool, then only we can start a digitization. uh, First we need to install QGIS software. I will show you how we can download QGIS software and install it. Yeah, first we enter the in Google search bar QGIS. After showing we have showed like this, then click on download. Yeah, we have some donation option is here, but skipping it and go to download. After clicking this one, we got like this installed. Yeah, after completion of installation, uh, we got like this in downloads, in your system downloads like this. Yeah, then we need to need to double click on that software. After completion of installation, we got one folder like this on desktop. Yeah, then only software completed. After completion of installation, we need to open that folder and yeah, we have different files in that folder, but we required QGIS desktop only. Then you can open as a click on double click, then only we can open it like, yeah, like this, able to see after open. This is a completely after installation and open QGIS. Yeah, in next video we can explain different components of and how to create project file.